I will show you how to create the emulator to show the Flutter application. Okay, so for this we will have this emulator like this. Okay, so for this, first of all you have to download the Android Studio. Okay, for now I have this Android Studio Flamingo version. Okay, so now to create this type of emulator, we have to create the emulator from this virtual device manager. So for this, first of all create on this icon, then click on virtual device manager. Now currently I have this Pixel 6 Pro API. Okay, and it is running. Okay, stop the emulator. So if I stop this emulator, it will be stopped. So I will stop. So I will stop it. Now I will create new device. Okay, create new device, and here you can select any mobile application. Sorry, mobile device UI. Okay, so here you can see desktop, device, TV. So you can select any of them. Okay, so for now I will click here Pixel 2 XL. Okay, so this is the dimension of it. Now, so in here import hardware, leave as it is. Click on next. Now after this you have to install this Tram-Issue, and after this leave as it is. Okay, and you have to install this Lollipop. Okay, in the recommended version. Now after this click on next, and here in the advanced option, here in the show advanced option, you can select here or change any of this. Okay, and you can this portrait or default. Okay, default orientation. So I will select here portrait, and graphics is hardware GLS, and after this click on finish. Now after this I have this Pixel 2. So now I will open this, launch ABD. The emulator. Now if I go to this VS Code, and here I will select the Pixel 2 current device. This is the device I have currently, and I will click here in run without debugging.